Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video series I will show you how to start Shopify store from the very beginning. So this is step-by-step guide with the video recording on how to set up the Shopify store, how to design it, and how to optimize it for Google. So everything will be explained. We won't miss anything. So the first step is go to shopify.com and start free trial. Now all you have to do is fill out your details. So email address, I'll use my email address, and obviously a password, and add your store name. You can add any name because that can be changed later. Okay, you also have to verify that the name is available because otherwise Shopify will tell you that the shop name is taken. So make sure to test different names until you get it validated. Now click on create your store and wait until the magic happens. There you go, it took just a couple of minutes and now we are on the welcome screen. We can tell Shopify a little bit about our store or skip it for now. In the next page, you can add your address. Then click enter my store. And here we go, just like that, our store is created. This is the admin where you can pick a design where you will be managing your store. So this is like a backend of your website. If you wanted to check your website, just click on this little eye icon. It will open in a new tab. And if you wanted to change the theme, click on online store and then themes. And then you can see that the default theme is debut, but you can easily change it by exploring the free themes or adding a premium theme, but it will make more sense once you pick a plan and publish the website. At the moment, the website is protected with password because it's only free trial. But if you wanted to have a look at how your current website looks like, just click on this icon. And here it is. So obviously it's unpopulated yet with content, but you can see how the base of this debut theme looks like. So I will see you at the next video.